This is the Acuity machine. It's a 6 micron 2D and 3D scanner. So I don't know if you can have a look inside here, but we have a measuring area. I'll just turn on the lights with a backlight. It's a telecentric light source and a telecentric lens. If we look up above, you might even see the telecentric lens. It's a huge lens. It's about 150 millimeters diameter or something like that. But the measuring area is about 115 millimeters. The camera is a high-speed camera, so we image the entire table in about 4 milliseconds and then take another 3 or 4 seconds to produce the report for 2D parts. For scanning in 3D, it takes about 10 seconds to create the 3D scan. So we've got the part on the table. We could also, not only is it automated inspection, it's automated setup. So if I was to open a DWG file or a 2D file and it had the shape of the part and dimensions or even tolerances, it'll load in the shape of the part and it'll also use the dimensions to create a report. So I don't know, maybe I should scoot past that a bit too much, but there's a couple of dimensions just to show the concept. So flip in Blue Peter style to one that I've done earlier, and if I then just click the measure shape button, in fact if we zoom down here you'll see the lights turn on and back off again, and it was a measuring speed of 4 milliseconds and just a few seconds for processing, and then we can align the two to create the report. I'm going to do a couple of different types of report. This is a deviation map, so it's showing you the differences between the part and the CAD file. And actually we have something called augmented reality. I don't know if this might be a little tricky to see there, but we actually, yeah, that's a tricky one to pick up on the camera. But we're actually projecting the deviations back onto the part. You can maybe see it now, actually there. Yeah. These deviations are being projected back onto the part. And then of course inside the inspection report we have all the deviations and so on. And you can pretty much inspect anything in 2D, and we can also then measure things in 3D to measure the upper surface. So it's 2D and 3D combined. It's typically a single click inspection and even a single click setup process if you have the right CAD data.
Okay, so if we were measuring some parts, we've got some parts down here, yeah?
Yeah, you could rattle through them really quickly. So let's say we wanted to, we're not too worried about the augmented reality, but we just wanted to create the report for each part. You just put the next part down, click auto inspect, and it's finished measuring the part, and now it's just creating the report. Take the next part, click auto inspect, and the interesting thing is it can actually inspect more than one part at once. As many parts as you can fit on the measuring area.
Can you do that here?
Them. Yeah, let's just see how many parts will fit on. So calibration fit, just to get the feel for it. So you can see this is the part. It's a little live video. Okay, so that should work. This is something I haven't prepared earlier. So it's measured all the parts. It's just lining them on the CAD file. This is one of our slower types of alignment. It's a long story. And there you've got 3 inspection reports which would print out. So in fact, on the augmented reality, it'll even project green onto the good parts and red onto the bad ones to help you differentiate them.
So that's all done, all measured, all 3 done, yeah?
Yeah, that's all 3 done.
What about reporting?
Reporting, yeah. So yeah, I mean, anything that I've shown you here, you can create into a report. So let me actually just go in. I think I have one printed out. Yeah, there we go. So this is a typical kind of report without you seeing me click save on PDFs and stuff. Just give you an idea. You've got your deviation map, you've got an inspection report diagram. Everything has been rotated because of the aspect ratio of the part, and then we've got the inspection report with all the numeric values in there. I don't think I can rotate it in this.
No, that's
it's
okay.
Just in the web browser.
That's fine. Yeah, okay. And then we've obviously got, if you wanted, you could export data into SPC. Yeah. So we have
statistical processing.
SPC. We haven't got it set up, but if you just want to do that, Jan, just go into ProLink. So down to P. Go to ProLink. Real time. That's it. So with real time, you'll just program it up as well, and when you measure, the data will automatically be exported into this, and you'll then get charting for, and this would be all the different features on the part automatically exported into one data file, which you can then pull apart by batch or machine or date and time, whatever it is you wanted to do.
And another interesting thing is we have a barcode scanner, so you can do pretty much everything we've demoed here without actually touching the mouse or keyboard. You just scan the barcode scanner of the part, your job number. It then goes off and finds the correct CAD file based off of the barcode. You can even read the name of the customer from the barcode, the types of reporting, the type of alignment, where you want to save the report, the part number. All this kind of stuff can be extracted from the barcode, and then you automatically inspect the parts without even touching the computer.
Very
and
good.
your SPC would update as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so that's a very brief demonstration. What we can do, if you wanted to, we can do an online demonstration. If you were prepared to send us your parts, instead of you having to drive all the way down the M5, we could arrange for us to do an online demonstration with your components, and you could ask us questions, etc., over the internet. I hope that's useful. I'll be in touch.